Move some animals around. You want to see what we put in here? You want to see what we put? Whoa! Whoa! We've got a big anaconda! Look how fun! So we've got this one, but let me wait a second. We've got... Whoa! You got this one! Wait a second. Oh, what is that? I don't know what that is. Okay, let me see. We've got this gorgeous one. Whoa! Okay, wait a second. I got more. Whoa, this one. This one's in blue, but okay. Wow! Look at that, and that's not even a big girl. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She's huge.